been a little bit. How is everyone? Found some time to take a ride. I've been exhausted from work. I did post up on the local page that I was going for a ride. About 2 hours, I said. Advanced country ride. Yeah, nobody showed up. It's about 66 degrees out today. A little windy. So what do you guys think about that Tyson fight? What bullshit was that? I mean, I already knew it was going to be a money grab, but I really wanted Tyson to knock his head off. And he could have. I mean, $20 million to go 8 rounds without knocking Jake out. Yeah. 58 years old, I'd do it the same. Fuck it. So we got a new guy that started a channel up. I'll put his link down in the description. Has some nice quality vids. You have to check them out. Give them a like, give them a subscribe. It's free. Tell them Lean sent you. I'd appreciate it. Bike is feeling really crispy. Loves this cold weather. This is a little hiding spot of mine. Look at these fucking pigs dumping garbage here and shit. Assholes.
Eat my place!